So I wanted to take a minute and show you guys the new collection from Heartfelt that's in the store now. The collection has 3 stamps and 3 dies that coordinate with it, as well as a new flower shaping mold. If you haven't used one of these yet, these things are very easy to use. They make making your flowers so much easier. And this one is made especially for this collection. So you make a whole lot of flowers at one time. You just cut your flowers out with your die and put them in here. You close this up and put it in your die cut machine, and it adds some texture and shape to your flowers. And then you have 3 stamps available. So you've got this one that's got the sentiments on it. Have a sweet day, for my friend, just a note, praying for you. This cute little scroll piece here and these flowers. And then you have this one, which does the different flowers. It gives you all the petals, and this little vine piece, and this big piece here. And then you have this one. I mean, these are just absolutely beautiful flowers. I love this collection. I'm really looking forward to making something with this. Then you also have the little dies. So once you stamp it out, you can use your die cut machine and cut all the pieces out, and then put it in your flower mold and shape the flowers. And each of these coordinates with one of the stamps. A little butterfly right there. And then you've got this one that cuts out that little scroll piece that we saw earlier, and the little spray piece, along with this delicate ornate piece here. Alright, then you have the paper collection. There's a bunch of beautiful purples and greens. So you've got their signature panel pizzas and the little strips, and of course the paper is double-sided. Lots of beautiful shades of purple in this collection. Little cottage, and there's that scroll piece from the stamp right down here. A little butterfly. That's the back of that one. More of your panels. Oh, look at this page. I love that. Oh yeah. Oh, and look at this. You wouldn't even have to stamp these and color these. You could just use your die, your flower die. They've got these set up in the same design, so you could just place your die on there and cut those out. Cute little tags over here on the side. And this is called the Lush Lilac collection. Like I said, it's available in the store. Look at that. Purple and green just go so well together. There's a cute little butterfly guy again. And that's the back of that one. And then, as always, they have their 6x6 panels in these sizes. And then more of the 6x6 panels that are just replicas of the bigger sheets but on the smaller sides. More of them here. Beautiful, beautiful shades of purple. You can make so many gorgeous projects with these. And as always, Heartfelt's got this last page in the back that's got all the little different sizes in it. Of the little stamps and tags and little bitty pieces that you can cut out for your mini albums or cards or anything else. Absolutely beautiful collection. And they sent me a link the other day showing how to use all of these stamps and this to make the flowers and to use it to make one of these. I'm going to put a link to that video down below this video. And in that video, she uses some of their new frosting powders and glitters on the flowers. And these will also be available in the shop. There's, let's see, 6 colors of the glitter, and then there's the frosting powder, and this is called Crystal Clear. It's a chunkier glitter, and then you have all of these colors as well. Let's see, this one is Clementine, and this one's called Crystal. I happen to like that one. And then this one is the Lichen, Baby's Breath, Lion's Mane, and this one is Vintage Glass Crystallos, and it's a chunkier. It's chunkier than regular glitter. Let's see. I haven't opened mine yet, but I'll open it so maybe you can see it a little better. Let's see if I can get a colored piece of paper so that you can see this. Can you see those? It's a much chunkier glitter. So that's all available now in the shop. I'm going to try to start showing you all of the new products that are available because I know it's sometimes easier to see it in a video than it is on the pictures. So y'all be sure to go over there and check it out, and like I said, I'll put the video down below for how to make these flowers, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!